Every journey begins with a vision. Through years of planning, through steel and glass rising, this terminal has been taking shape. Built for footsteps, for voices, for the rhythm of life to begin. Because here, in the heart of San Diego, the future of travel stands ready. And all this time, we've been building for you. For more than 4 years, we've been hard at work building the airport of the future for you. And now, that time has come. Thank you for being here to celebrate with us. Welcome to Terminal 1.